everyone, welcome to my channel. And for those of you that are new here, my name is Dolores, better known as the Baking Diva. And I'm going to be bringing to you lots and lots of delicious holiday delights. So if you haven't already subscribed, smash the subscribe and the little bell. And that's all that's to it. You'll get a notification whenever I have a new video up. Well, today I'm making you a no-bake treat. And I don't have any eye makeup on. I was going to wear sunglasses, but I thought I couldn't see well with them, but I had to have some laser done in my eye yesterday. So it's doing pretty good, but not allowed to wear any eye makeup. So what you see is what you get. So anyway, today I am going to make for you some chocolate dipped Oreo peanut butter pretzel bites. And oh my, are they good. And easy too. So you don't need your oven. You're going to need a mixer. You can use a hand mixer if you want. I'm going to use my stand mixer. So the star of this show is these Oreos. And these are the peanut butter flavored cream Oreos. They're Oreos with peanut butter cream inside. Yep. And you'll need one package of these, okay? Then you're going to need 1 8-ounce block of cream cheese. And I'm using the full-fat cream cheese. You're going to need some pretzels, which I have a bag of them here. You won't need this entire bag, whoopsie, but a bag of pretzels. And we're going to have some chocolate. So I'm going to get started now and show you how we make these. They're so good. So right, so I have like a gallon size Ziploc bag here. So what I'm going to do is open up my bag of Oreos. This happens to be the family size bag. And it says right on there, peanut butter flavor cream Oreos. I've actually seen the ones that are the cookie is half chocolate and half peanut butter, then there's a cream in them, but these are good. So let me open up the bag. Okay. And I'm going to put the Oreo, as soon as you open up that bag, they smell so good. See them with the peanut butter inside? I'm going to put them in this bag. Now you can use a hammer, you can use a mallet. I happen to have a wooden rolling pin here that I love, so I'm going to use this. I mean, use whatever works for you that will crush up these Oreos. I mean, I've been known to use a spoon, whatever. So let me get all the Oreos in the bag. Okay, let's go. Right on. Okay. All in there. Oh, okay. I'm going to be nice. I'm not going to eat one. I'll wait till later. Okay, close your bag. Flatten it out like this. And you can start rolling or hitting whatever you want with your rolling pin. I usually start to hit them first. And then I'll roll them. Whatever it takes. They're pretty easy. You want to just get your Oreos crushed. You don't want them pulverized. Ow! Ow! Oh, this is live YouTube and I just banged my finger. I already have a bent finger from years ago when I was working and I got my finger caught in the file cabinet and it never straightened out. I went to physical therapy and everything and I hate it. It looks like a witch finger, but what am I going to do? Went to a finger specialist years ago, and he told me he could straighten it out for me, but if he did, I would have no feeling on the tip of my finger. So he said if you can put up with it, he suggested I just leave it. So that's what I did. A little self-conscious of it, but it is what it is. There's worse things in life, right? All right, so I'm going to get this all smashed. Let me flip over the bag a little bit. Yep. So roll it, hit it, bang it, smash it, whatever you want to do. There. Oh, that works even better. Woo! Yes, it does. Oh, this works much better. If rolling doesn't work, take out your aggressions and smash these babies. Woo! I've been known to be a little cray-cray on this channel, so if that's your cup of tea, follow me along. If not, well, this isn't the channel for you. Alrighty. Well, they're all done. I think they're good. Okay. Let me take one little peek at them. Oh yeah, very good. Nice and crushed up. There's a few in there that aren't, but that's fine. So I'm going to take these Oreos and I'm going to put them in the bowl of my mixer. Oh, they smell so good. They really smell more like peanut butter than they do chocolate. Okay, let me put that bag over there. Now, I had a block, an 8-ounce block of cream cheese. I already softened it at room temperature. I have it here, so I'm going to put this in the mixer with the Oreos. All right, now I'm going to mix this until everything gets nice and combined, because once it's combined, you'll see I want to roll it into balls. So let me raise my mixer and put this baby on. Whoa, whoa. Start it out on slow, or you're going to have Oreo crumbs like me all over the place. Come on now, calm down, mixer. All right, there we go. You're going to see as the cream cheese mixes with the crushed up Oreos, oh, it looks really good. And they'll be easy to form into balls. I do it with my hands. My hands are clean. I find my hands, even with my crooked finger, are the best tools. Okay, so while that was mixing, taking another Ziploc bag, I'm using the gallon size, and I'm going to put my pretzels in here that I want to do the exact same thing to. You can use any pretzels you want. I happen to be using the Snyder ones. Hubby bought them for me. These are the old-time pretzels. So let me fill the bag with the pretzels. And then I'm going to do the exact same thing. I'm going to use my rolling pin, and I'm going to take my aggression out now on these pretzels, and I'm going to smash them up to bits. Now, if you like chocolate and you like peanut butter, oh, that's two of my favorites. I love that combination. And the pretzels give it a little touch of the saltiness. And then the chocolate, oh my goodness, you're gonna love these. All right, when we need more, we'll get more later. So let me close the bag, flatten it out, and I think I'm just gonna start banging on these. Oh yeah, this works. I think this works better than rolling, but do whatever you want, whatever floats your boat. Woo! Are you mad at somebody? Take it out on them. You having a bad day? You don't need a voodoo doll or anything like that. And you don't want to hit anybody, so take it out on these pretzels. Okay. Here we go. You know, you're going to roll the balls in the pretzels, so you don't want the pretzels to be too big. All right, let me turn over the bag. Let's see, who am I mad at today? I don't know, I'm actually having a pretty good day. Oh well. I was mad yesterday when I had to go get laser in my eye because I had cataract surgery done about 2 years ago, and it just didn't feel as clear as I thought it should. So I went for my eye exam a couple of weeks ago, and he gave me all kinds of tests. He said, this might be too much information. If you don't like hearing about health issues, skip ahead. But he said sometimes, and it's very common, when people get cataract surgery, like a film or something can develop behind the lens, and it clouds it. So what they do is they shoot it with a laser to break it up, and then you have to put drops in it, and I see him next Tuesday. So I was afraid. I had never had laser done, but I just sat in a chair, just like when you get an eye exam. You put your chin on the thing, you look through, they numb your eyes with tons of drops. And then he just told me to stare at the blue light as he moved it around, and I didn't feel anything. All I heard was little noises like beep, 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 and then it was over. It took like a minute. So all my worrying was for nothing. But now I'll find out on Tuesday whether it cleared my eye up or not. And then I'll have to have the other eye done. All right, these are looking pretty crushed to me. Some people don't like to talk when they're baking or making recipes. They just want to stay strictly to the recipe, but that's not my channel. I guess I've always been a people person, and I don't know, sometimes it could be boring just to sit there and watch somebody. Step 1, step 2, step 3, we're done. I thought I would entertain you all a little bit and entertain myself at the same time. All right, I think these are crushed enough. All right. Yep, they look pretty good to me. One of these wooden rolling pins, I've had it for years, but something makes me think I ordered it from Amazon. You ought to check it out, because I love it, really. And as you can see, it's multi-purpose. All right. Put this aside. Let me lower my bowl. All right, so now I have a cookie sheet. I put a piece of parchment paper on it. And just take a spoon. Take a spoonful of the mixture. It was on my spoon. Roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it. Look how nice they roll. Perfect. And you're not going to bake them, so you don't have to worry about them spreading on your sheet. But make them a nice size like this. They take a minute to roll, and place them on your cookie sheet. They're very creamy, but they're firm enough to roll without a problem. So let me get these all rolled, and then I'll be back in a second and show you what I do next. Okay, so I put a picture in. As you can see, I rolled all the balls. You get about, I would say, 3 dozen of them, which is not bad at all. I snuck one. Oh, it was so good. So anyway, once you make your little ball, and in here, I have all the crushed up pretzels in a bowl. You're gonna take your ball, you're gonna roll it in the pretzels, and you don't need to get a lot of pretzels on there, just a few. And you're gonna put it back on the cookie sheet. Now, once I get this done, I'm gonna put the cookie sheet in my freezer for about 30 minutes. And then once these are all nice and chilled, I'm gonna take them out and I'll show you what we do next. Hi everyone, well I'm back just in time to take these Oreo peanut butter pretzel bites out of the freezer. They're nice and chilled now. So what I did is I took a bag of Nestle's chocolate morsels and I melted them here in this bowl in my microwave. I did them at 30-second intervals and kept stirring them in between till I got them just the way I liked them. It's good to check them periodically so they don't burn. If you find it's too thick, you can always add just a speck of vegetable oil in it to thin it out. All right, I put a piece of wax paper here, and I have a fork. So what I'm gonna do, and hopefully you can see it over here, I'm just gonna take a ball, plop it in the chocolate, get it covered, and then I'm just gonna take it out with the fork. I'll put it on the end and tap it into the bowl just to get some of the excess chocolate off. And then I'm gonna put it down here on my wax paper while it sets and the chocolate the chocolate hardens. So let me get that one down. You can make them smaller than this too. Now, if you want, just leave them just like this, plain chocolate. However, if you want to decorate them, you can use a spoon too. You can decorate them. You can put sprinkles on them if you want to make them for the holidays or whatever. I mean, I make them both ways. It doesn't really matter. But if you're going to plan on making them for Thanksgiving or Christmas, put the sprinkles on or the decorations on while they're still wet. These are so delicious. Let me tell you. I picked up some Christmas sprinkles. These are called Santa hats. I think I got them in Walmart. Just going to sprinkle a couple on here. Like I say, you don't have to. I just figured, you know, make them merry for Christmas. So you can put it in, spoon the chocolate over it with the spoon, and then take it out with your fork. After it's covered, hold it on the side and tap it, because the extra chocolate will drip through, you know, the tines of the fork. And then you'll just put them down here to set on your wax paper. Let me put a few sprinkles. Let me pop another one in. Let me tell you, these are delicious too, without even the chocolate on them. So I'm tapping this off. Like I say, you'll get about 3 dozen out of this. Put it just down there. We'll leave a couple of them plain. Put it in, cover it with chocolate with the spoon. They're cold, they won't fall apart. You can roll them all around in there. Take it out, let it drip on the side with your fork and put it on there. So I'm gonna finish dipping these all off camera, and then I'll be back as soon as they set a little, and we will do a taste testing. Okay, I'm back to do a taste testing. I took a picture of these on the platter. I'll insert it for you. And if you find that your chocolate is taking a little too long to set, just pop them in the refrigerator for a few minutes. So, I just cut one of these babies in half. I decorated a few of them with sprinkles, and a few of them I just left plain. But say you want to make these for Thanksgiving, just put some full colored sprinkles on them or little leaves. I just cut one in half here, and I'm going to do a taste testing. So what do you say? Look at that. Nice and rich and moist inside. You have the chocolate on the outside. And you know, I use the peanut butter, the Oreos with the peanut butter cream in them. They have different kind of Oreos. I think they have ones that have peanut butter in the outside and chocolate on the inside. And they have some that I think are like two-toned, chocolate and peanut butter. So you can use any of those. Trust me, they'll all come out good. So let me take a little bite of this. They're good. They are sweeter when dipped in the chocolate, obviously, than they are when I just made the balls and ate them that way. Honestly, you can eat them any way you want, but technically you want them to look pretty on the platter, so you are supposed to dip them in the chocolate. But they're really good. I like them. If you're a peanut butter and chocolate lover, you're gonna like them too. So, thanks for stopping by and watching me make these, what I'm gonna call chocolate dipped peanut butter Oreo pretzel bites. And if you haven't already subscribed, just hit the subscribe. I'd love to have you. So thank you all. I really do appreciate you stopping by my channel and watching me make these things. Keeps me on YouTube, and it's something I really enjoy. So anyway, I will see you all very soon. Toodles! Now I'm going to finish this because it is a good.